Hello beautiful people, I'm back again with another video to share with you. So the other day I bought this 15 bean soup. I saw it in Walmart and I said to myself, why not just use this to make a stew? So I soaked it overnight and I just rinsed it under some running water and I'm gonna make a stew. I'm gonna use the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna put some other ingredients in there. I love my spices, so I'm going to use some curry powder, some paprika, I'm going to use some cilantro, thyme, and I have my pimento. There is right there, pimento or allspice, and a clove, and some cumin, and I have a large bell pepper here. I'm just going to use half of it, and a red onion, and some salt, and a small sweet potato, and I also have some scallion. I'm going to use 3 stalks of scallion, and I have 2 tomatoes. I have a whole garlic here, it's small, so I'm going to use all of it, and this piece of ginger, and my habanero. Just going to use the skin, the flesh, not going to use the seeds, and 3 small carrots. So I'm just gonna chop these up, assemble them, and show you how I do a quick 15 bean stew in my Instant Pot. You can do this when you're pressed for time. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm ready to have my pot do the cooking for me. So I have my Instant Pot on Sauté, and I cut up my condiments. I have everything prepared. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in my paprika and curry. Is it right here? That's 1 tablespoon of paprika and 1 tablespoon of curry. Just put that in there. Just going to stir it around. When it starts to change color, I'm going to put in all my seasoning. So I have my onions, my ginger, my scallion, my garlic. Just put everything in there because we're going to do this quickly. The quick saute. Stir that around. I also have my habanero in there. I ended up using just 6 cloves of the garlic, which was basically the whole bulb. And I have 4 sprigs of thyme in here, and the 3 stalks of scallion. The ginger is crushed, it's a little over a thumb size of ginger. So I'm just allowing this to saute. I have my little cup here with my little mortar, and in there I have my pimento berries. Don't know if you can see that, but I crushed them up real rough. I didn't crush them too small because everything is going to be pressure cooked. So I'm just going to put that in there also. That smells so good. The cumin and the pimento berries and the clove. I had just 2 clove buds in there and 6 pimento berries and about a 1/4 teaspoon of the cumin. And I just crushed that, roughly crushed them. So this is the base of the stew. And I also have my 2 tomatoes that I chopped up roughly, and the half of that large bell pepper. This will add some moisture to the dish. So I'm marrying all these flavors right here. It's gonna be really good. So we're not really spending a lot of time on this. We just want to make sure everything is blended and sauteed. Look at that. So now I'm just putting in my small sweet potato and the 3 small carrots. I've chopped them roughly also. Give that another stir again. And don't forget the salt. I have a tablespoon of salt. Mix that in. You can put salt to taste. You can put more or less depending on your taste. And then the real part of the stew, my beans. So we're giving this a good mix. Make sure the beans are well coated with the sauté mixture. That's how it looks. So now I'm just gonna add some water, just enough to cover everything. See how it looks? I don't want my beans to be too watery. I'm not making a soup. Just making a stew, a bean stew. Can do with a little more water. Yep, that should do it. The sweet potato and the carrots will add a little thickness, a little body to the soup. Sorry, the stew. So I'm just gonna cover this now. And I'm gonna change my setting, cancel that sauté, and then we're gonna pressure cook for 20 minutes. That's good. So all we have to do now is just sit and wait. 20 minutes. Be right back. So guys, here we have it. My 15 bean stew is finished. Just one last thing I want to do, and is to put this cilantro. This is about half a cup of cilantro I chopped up. Just want to put that in there and stir it in. This will add the last touch of flavor to this stew. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.